This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make voyage plan in ECDIS, full guide. Open your ECDIS, load the intended chart set, and create a new voyage with clear start and end positions. Immediately plot the primary course line and add waypoints near navigational hazards. Ensure depth contours and under keel clearance are visible, pick appropriate safety contours, and set the intended speed and ETA for each leg of the passage. Start by plotting your main route and then refine it leg by leg while checking tidal streams and traffic separation schemes. Always add buffer waypoints around shallow areas and consider traffic density. Use the ECDIS route check functions to identify crossing dangers and restricted zones, then adjust course lines and arrival times accordingly. Confirm bridge resource management tasks and make sure communication plans and standby anchors are in place before finalizing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical maritime videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is perfect for keeping cabins tidy with voice control and smart navigation, and it surprisingly reminds you of automated route planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more tips on bridge automation, now let's get back to the video. After drafting the route, perform systematic checks for chart updates, ENC consistency, and radar overlay alignment to prevent scale mismatches. Review depth and under keel clearance warnings, and fix any flagged conflicts. Coordinate with pilots and shore agents for pilot boarding points and tug requirements. Document all agreed changes in the official voyage plan file and circulation sheet so the entire bridge team has the same editable reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.